Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn maths. In the last class, we learned about comparing numbers, place value, face value. Hope you have finished all the exercises that was in the textbook. Now today we are moving on to the next class, that is order of numbers. What are order of numbers? Here you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers here increases in this order. Here the smallest number is 1 and the largest number is 6. So the number is increasing. We have written the smallest number 1 first and then 6, the largest number, last. So we can say that the order is increasing here. Let's take another example, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here also we can see the numbers are increasing. Which digit did we write first? We wrote 3 and then 9. So here the smallest number is 3 and the last number we have written 9. Here also we can say the numbers are increasing. So when numbers are arranged from smallest to the largest, we say that it is an increasing order. 24, 28, 30, 42. We wrote 24 the first. The next digit is 28. So 28 is bigger than 24. Next number is 30. 30 is bigger than 28. And then we have written 42. So we can say that these numbers are written in an increasing order. We can say this as ascending order. So the increasing order is also known as the ascending order. So here we can arrange these digits in ascending order. We have 13, 12, 14. We have to arrange this in the ascending order. What is ascending order? The smallest to the biggest. So first we have to arrange the smallest number. We have to find out the smallest number. So which is the smallest number here? Is it 13 or 12? Yes, it's 12. So we have to write 12 first and then we have to find out the next smallest number. We have 13 and 14 left. 12 we have written already. From that we have to find out which is bigger. 13 or 14 is bigger than 12. So we have to write next 13 and then 14. Now these numbers are arranged in ascending order. So we can here arrange this in ascending order. We have 29, 21 and 25. First, which digit we have to write? The smallest. So how can we write this? We have to find out, is 29 bigger, 21 or 25? The first, the smallest digit, we have to take the smallest digit. So 21 is the smallest, then 25 and then 29. This is how we arrange the numbers in an ascending order. Now let's take 3-digit numbers. Even if it's 3-digit number, the rule applies the same. We have to arrange the smallest number first. So we have here 105, 108 and 101. So which is the smallest one? It is 101. So we write that first. Then we have to write 105 and then comes 108. So now these numbers are arranged in ascending order. So now we can do an activity. So all of you open your notebook, write down today's date and the heading order of numbers. Now you can write down the question. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. And you can write down the questions also. So the first number here is 119, 112, 115 and 111. The second question we have 142, 124, 136 and 144. We have to arrange this in ascending order. So first we have to find out the smallest digit. So you can write down in your notebook, you can pause the video and once you have done, you can come back. Hope you all are finished doing it. Now let's check the answers. Here 119, 112, 115 and 111. Which is the smallest number? It is 111. After that it is 112 and then 115 and 119. So this is how we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Next question, it is 142, 124, 136 and 144. So which is the smallest number? It is 124. That we have to write first, and then 136, 142 and then 144. So hope you all have done it correctly. So these are the answers. You can check it whether you have done it correctly. Now we have learned ascending order. What is ascending order? Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Now we are going to learn descending order. So let's check what is descending order. Here you can see the numbers 15, 14, 13, 12. Is it increasing or decreasing? So 15, 14, 13, 12. You know that it is decreasing. So the number decreases from 15 to 12. The largest number is written first. So 15 is written first and then the smallest number 12 comes last. So the order is decreasing. Here we have another set of numbers 46, 44, 42, 40. Is it in increasing order or decreasing order? Here also it is decreasing. It's coming 46, 44, 42, 40. So the numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest. When numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest, we call it in descending order or a decreasing order. So the number is in the decreasing order. Here you can see 68, 44, 32, 28. Here also the numbers are decreasing. This order is also known as the descending order. Now let's do an activity. You can write down this in your notebook. So arrange the numbers in descending order. The first question we have 65, 72, 68. For arranging numbers in descending order, first we have to write the largest number. So find out which is the largest number here. Is it 72 or 68? 72 is the biggest number. So first we have to write 72, then 68 and then 65. Then it becomes a descending order. Second question we have 39, 27, 33. So we have to write the biggest number first. Which is it? 39, 33, 27. So this is how we arrange this in descending order. So the answers for the activity is given here. Now we have 3-digit numbers. We have 124, 145, 136 in the first question. Second, we have 168, 164, 169. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So first what we have to do? We have to select the largest number. In 124, 145, 136. Which is the biggest number? It is 145. So write that first. Then we have to find out the next biggest number. It is 136 and then 124. Next question we have 168, 164 and 169. So find out the biggest number in this. Which is it? It is 169. So write 169 first, 168 and then 164. So these are the answers for the activity. So now we have learned ascending order and descending order. So what is ascending order? Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. And descending order, numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. So hope you are clear with ascending and descending order. In your text, page number 11, there are some exercises that you can do. You have to arrange it in ascending and descending order. Now let's move on to the next class, forming numbers. So what are forming numbers? Here you can see the number 45 and 54 is given. So in number 45 and 54, these both numbers have the same digits, 45 and 54. 4, 5, 5, 4. The same numbers are used. But these numbers are not the same. Why? Because in 45 we have 4 tens and 5 ones. And in 54 we have 5 tens and 4 ones. So even if the digits are same, the number is not the same. When we get a number, we have to find out the ones and tens. In 45 we have 4 tens, 5 ones. In 54 we have 5 tens and 4 ones. So the numbers are not equal. We can write it 45 less than 54. Using the symbol we can write like this. And how is it read? It is read 45 less than 54. In last class we learned that the sign, the mouth opens always to the greater number. So this can be read as 45 less than 54. So this is the sign. This is greater than and this is less than. Now let's check. Here we have 46 and 64. The same numbers. 46, 64. Here we have 4 tens, 6 ones, 6 tens, 4 ones. So which is greater? 4 tens is greater or 6 tens is greater? 6 tens is greater. So we can say that 46 less than 64. This is read as 46 less than 64. Similarly, 37 and 73. In 37 we have 3 tens. And in 73 we have 7 tens. So which is greater? 73. And how can it be written? 37 less than 73. Let's take another example. We have 85, 58. Both the numbers are same, but it's not equal. Here we have 8 and 5. Here also we have 5 and 8. Here we have 8 tens. In this we have only 5 tens. So which is greater? 8 tens is greater. So 85 is greater. And how this can be read? It is read as 85 greater than 58. The next example we have 92 and 29. Here we have 9 and 2. In this number we have 2 and 9. But which is greater? Here we have 9 tens. Here we have 2 tens. So 92 greater than 29. So hope you understood this. Next, we'll learn to find out the largest possible number and smallest possible number from 2 digits. So let's check. Here we have 3 and 6. Out of this, we have to make the largest possible number and smallest possible number. So we have 3, 6. To make a larger number, we have to write the larger number in the tens place. So 3 and 6. Which is a large number? 6 is a large number. So write that in the tens place. And then the smaller number, we should put it in the ones place. The ones place comes to the right of it. So we have now 63. So 63 is the largest possible number that we can make with 3 and 6. Now we'll see how we can make the smallest possible number. Again we have 3 and 6. For making the smallest number, we have to place the small number in the tens place. So 3 is small or 6 is small? 3. So first place 3 in the tens place. 3. Then the next number in the ones place. We have 36. So 63 is the largest number and 36 is the smallest number that we can make with 3 and 6. Let's do another example. We have 4 and 6. As I said before, from 4 and 6, for making the largest possible number, place the largest number in the tens place. So 6 is a large number here. So write 6 in the tens place and then 4 in the ones place. So what did we get? We got 64. So 64 is the largest possible number from 4, 6. Now we'll make a smaller number. For making the smaller number, place the smaller number in the tens place. So 4 is the smaller number here. We placed it in the tens place and then 6 in the ones place. We got 46. So 64 is the largest possible digit. 46 is the smallest possible digit made from 4 and 6. Here we have 2, 2. Both are same numbers. So how can we form the largest possible number and smallest possible number? If we put 2 in the tens place and ones place, we get 22. Again, we have the same numbers, so we get only one number out of it. So same number, we get 22. We get only one 2-digit number out of it. Next, we have 0 and 5. So 0 is a small number, 5 is a bigger number. So for making the largest number, let's write 5, 0. We got 50. For making the smaller number, we can write 0, 5. Because 0 is coming to the left side, it doesn't have a value here, so it's only a 1-digit number. So we can say that we got only one 2-digit number here. We got only 50 here. So when 0 comes, you get only one 2-digit number. Hope you understood how to form the smallest possible number and the largest possible number. You have exercises in your textbook, page number 12. You can do that and take a snap of it and send to us. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.